Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see how to build Android apps using Google AI Studio in less than 5 minutes. Yes, you can now describe the app you want in simple words and Google AI Studio can generate the Android app for you. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to aistudio.google.com. Now sign in with your Google account. Free users can also try this. You only need a working Gmail account. Once you sign in, you will be taken to the playground page. From here, tap on the model selector and choose Gemini 3.5 Pro or any latest model available for you. Now set the thinking level to high so the model can understand your request better. After that, look at the sidebar and tap on Build. Here, you should see a new option called Build an Android app. Tap on it. If you don't see this option, don't worry. Google is still rolling out this feature, so it may take some time to appear for all users. Now enter the prompt for the app you want to build. You can describe the app in your natural language. For this video, I am asking it to build a simple calculator app. If you want better results, you can first use ChatGPT or any other AI tool to improve your prompt. Just explain what app you want and ask it to create a detailed app building prompt. Once your prompt is ready, paste it here and tap Build. Now wait for a few seconds. Google AI Studio will take you to a dedicated app building page. On this page, you will see your prompt history on the side. You can also enter new prompts from here if you want to make changes later. You will also see the preview section where the app will appear after it is built. For every new website or Android app you build, Google may suggest a design. You can select the design if you like it. You can also skip it. If you already have your own design, you can upload your files by tapping the plus icon and selecting your design files. For this video, the suggested design looks clean, so I am selecting it. Now Google AI Studio will start building the app. Wait for a few minutes. You can see the progress on the screen. It will create the files and build the app step by step. Once the app is built, the preview will appear here. Sometimes the app may show an error in the preview. As you can see, I also got an issue here. But the good thing is that Google AI Studio can suggest a fix automatically. You don't need to manually edit the code. Just tap on the suggested fix and Gemini will repair the code for you. Now the app is working. Let's test it once. The calculator opens properly. The buttons are working. The output is also showing correctly. So the app is ready. Now let's install this app on an Android phone. Before installing, you need a few things. You need an Android phone. You need a USB cable. You need developer options enabled on your phone. You also need USB debugging turned on. If you don't know how to enable developer options or USB debugging, I have added a guide in the description. Once that is done, connect your Android phone to your computer using a USB cable. Now wait until Google AI Studio finishes creating all the files. If you want to make any changes, you can describe them here. For example, you can say add dark mode, change the button color, or make the design more modern. For this video, I am not making any changes. I am just keeping the app as it is. Now the app is ready. To install it on your Android phone, tap Install via USB. If you see a connection lost error, don't worry. This is a common issue. You can tap retry and try again. If it still doesn't work, check whether USB debugging is enabled, your phone is unlocked, and the USB cable supports data transfer. I have also added a detailed guide in the description to fix this issue. Now tap retry installation. That's it. The app is now installed on the Android phone. As you can see, this is how the app looks on the phone. It opens properly and it works really well. So this is how you can quickly build and install an Android app using Google AI Studio. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel.